豆、白豆。
I'm Raymond Wang. I'm the chairman for Thiên Te Temple. Thiên Te Miao formed about 40 years ago. Thiên Te 4 temple, different deity. The biggest temple here is Potek Sangteng. Next to Potek Sangteng is Sui Wei Shen Yang Miao. It's a Hainanese temple. Next to the Sui Wei Shen Yang Miao is Chang Tin Gong, Teochew temple. And next to it is Zhong Tou Gong, is Ma Zu Miao. At that time, all this temple actually is from other area. They want to tender this piece of land to be a joint temple. So that's why they form a Thiên Te temple. We have some Indian devotee also. Because the whole Hougang district, there is no Hindu temple. Some Hindu approached Chang Tin Gong that they want to put the elephant god in Chang Tin Gong temple.
他每个礼拜早上就会给免费的早餐呐，那么我们就每个礼拜都要去帮忙。
Normally, the Sunday morning breakfast, we invite the senior or the less privileged family to come here. We want to create a community gathering. One of our temple, Potek Sangteng, provide free funeral service, whether they are Chinese or non-Chinese. As long as Potek Sangteng think that is suitable, they will help them to provide funeral service.
During our founding fathers' days, we have migrants, whether from China or India or even from the Middle East. They migrated to Singapore. Those days, triads, a lot of societal issues, they are very rampant. As new migrants, new people in this tiny island, they eventually form various self-help groups, either by surname or by a particular place. And then they form all these various civic organizations and then start to help each other. The idea of a self-help organization is good for the society. Eventually, when I qualified as a lawyer, combining legal service and these civic organizations can play a bigger role in our community. So I amalgamate these two ideas, whereby I hope that these civic organizations to host these legal center, to provide full-time legal support to the community. Actually, we got Thiên Te Temple to come on board, and the very first temple and the very first civic organization in Singapore to join force with Bono SG and also with SUSS. On the 20th of August, these three partners signed the MOU to set up this community law center. It will be an extension from the existing schemes that Bono SG has been running. We are at the community, we are at the heartlands, so we are closer to the residents. We work very closely with the Family Service Office and other social welfare organizations in the heartlands. We will provide very holistic help to the families.
It's not an either-or proposition for lawyers to be healers. We are called to be community healers. We're called to embrace some facets of healing, whether peacemaking, mediation, counseling, problem solving, to impact a community that is troubled.
I hope with this really minor step in providing legal services to the community, we have a movement whereby the other sectors of the community come forward with their ideas to try the ideas. Though that the venue may be sometimes an issue to certain members of the community, the idea is not constrained to just Chinese-related organizations. It is open to all. I hope that this project will somehow contribute towards building a better community in Singapore.
So join us today in serving the needs of the community. Be a part of the Community Law Center. Be a healer of injustice.